today's lesson, we'll learn how to play the piano accompaniment of This I Promise You by Nsync, written by Rich and Marks. Here's middle C for reference. We'll be learning the song in the lower key of B flat major, which will be easier to sing. Here's a preview of the verse sections. We'll begin our verse with F major chord, with F on the left, and F, A, and C on the right. Next is G minor 7, with G on the left, and F, B flat, and D on the right. Next is E flat major, with E flat on the left, and E flat, G, and B flat on the right. Then back to F major, and we repeat this twice. Now we'll play along with the lyrics. Here's a preview of the pre-chorus sections. First chord is C minor 7, with C on the left, and E flat, G, and B flat on the right. Next is E flat over F, with F on the left, and E flat, G, and B flat on the right. Then we have B flat major, with B flat on the left, and F, B flat, and D on the right. Then we have F over A, with A on the left, and F, A, and C on the right. G minor 7, which we learned earlier, is C minor 7. Now we have E flat minor, with E flat on the left, and E flat, G flat, and B flat on the right. E flat over F, and F major chord. Let's play the pre-chorus with the lyrics. Here's a preview of the first and second chorus. Our first chord is B flat major. Then we have F major, G minor 7, E flat major, B flat major, F major, E flat major, and B flat major. With lyrics we have this. Here's a preview of the bridge section. Our first chord is C minor 7, E flat over F, F major, and we repeat this again. Then we have B flat major, F over A, with A on the left and F, A, and C on lyrics, we have this. From here, we do a key change to C major, which is a much easier key with no flats or sharps. And here is the preview of the chorus in the key of C major. This is pretty much the same chords as before, except transposed 2 semitones up. Our first chord is C major, with C on the left, and G, C, and E on the right. Next is G major, with G on the left, and G, B, and D on the right. Then we have A minor 7, with A on the left, and G, C, and E on the right. Then we have F major, which we already know, C major, then G major, then F major. We'll play that again with lyrics. G on the left, and F, A, and C on the right. Then the outro with C major, and F major 7 with F on the left, and F, A, C, and E on the right. And you can end with the C major and F major 7 again. The C major If you have questions, leave your comments below.